Man, this weather's killing us. I'm ready to get started on this car.
Well, I am too.
Carl,
I'm glad.
Scotty just called. We can go get the car.
Yeah,
Let's go.
all right. Let's get the gas ready to go. You got the directions?
Right here. How long is it going to take to get there? 2 hours. Mineral Wells.
Welcome to the restoration wing of Double Clutch. As this journey begins, Carl and his team go to look at the car they found.
We're driving out to Mineral Wells to meet with this guy, Scotty. He's supposed to have a bunch of old cars in a warehouse that was a Chrysler or Dodge dealership. We're going to go see. Maybe this is our car. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, look at this place. Check these ride outs, right? Wow. Neat. Buick.
Wow, look at all these cars.
That was 40 on the Cadillac right there in the platform.
Oh, this one, right? Check this out.
Got it.
Good to meet you, man.
Thank
you. Where's this car we're here to look at?
Right over there.
Let's go check it out. Wow.
What do you think, Randy?
Little sucked up here and there, you can find go.
Really? Check with rust in the floors, floorboards. Look out. One more ding in it.
Stuff in the box for you though.
Looks like there's a lot of NOS parts here.
Pretty good shape, too. Well, not brand new, but close to new.
Yeah, they're not bad. It's like they may polish out. It'll work and be okay. I wonder if that's actual. That's 144 or if it's 44.
It's going to be with it.
Still moves. That one's stuck. This one's stuck.
Air cleaner.
You guys want to listen to the radio?
Turn it up. Look at FM.
Check it out, man. Some NOS parts. It's like a new.
It's an NOS stern wheel, a wheel and T.
Look at that. Snoop. Yeah, on a piece of wood. Shop manual. That's incredible. This may come in handy. That's AC. This car apparently had an underdash AC. That's the high side and low side hose and the drains for it to drain. Someone may have added it somewhere along the line and then it got removed.
You have the seats and everything, Scott?
Yep.
Yep.
Scotty, is this the actual miles? You know if the car had 44 or if it's 144?
I cannot say.
Don't know.
Don't know.
You have most of the parts to the car?
We have all of
Awesome. So it actually has some extra pieces also that are like
Yeah.
NOS stuff.
the stuff that I bought for it. Yeah.
That's incredible. What's in this box?
Uh,
Right now we're walking around the car with Scotty, just making a small inventory list. See how many of the parts we can actually find in this car. It looks like there are some extra pieces. We're looking around at the interior of the car. Some of the stainless that's on the car. We're looking around in the trunk and we're finding a lot of parts to the car. A lot of the parts are in great shape, which is a plus for us. It's going to help us with the restoration part of this car to speed it along. Awesome. The black part?
Yep.
Incredible. And the plastic piece in the center's got cracks in it. Probably have to find one, or I don't know if that can be repaired or not. Scotty, do you know what the original color of this car was?
my guess is if you look at the that piece right here, if you turn it in.
Rear armrest.
Thanks for watching this week's restoration segment. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. And come back next week as the parts search continues for the 55 Buick Special here on Double Clutch.